Don't bother about me. I will do this myself. What fight do you have on me? Damn it. I'm so fed of fighting. I want to leave.
My mom and I always fight. I can't understand my mom, and also my mom can't understand me. Even if I am angry, I have no place to go. I want to get out from this situation.
Hello, honey. Oh my god, really? Okay, wait. Mom, I will do homework at the library.
Honey, what do you want to eat?
Anything is okay.
Sambusa?
Anything is okay.
만다지?
Oh, anything is okay.
Honey, here you are, sambusa.
Sambusa? I don't want this. I want another thing. I already ate sambusa yesterday.
Sorry, I will buy another things. Honey, here mandazi that you like.
Mandaji? I hate this shop. This shop mandaji is very hard. You don't know?
You buy yourself. I don't know. Let's even break up.
After breaking up with my boyfriend, I always cry in my room and got depression. I don't know what I have to do. I want to be happy like before.
How long do I have to live like this? When I wake up, I start to do my work until midnight. I want to do something new, but I can't because I have many works. My life is only about doing work and is so boring and tiresome. I want to get out from this situation.
My happiness in the world is just meeting friends. Every day I use makeup and I wear pretty clothes and I decorate myself. But happiness is just that moment. But my heart is always empty. Even I play with my friends, the empty of my heart will capture me. How will I feel the emptiness of my heart?
Jenny, eat lunch.
Later!
I don't go outside. I'm always using the cell phone in my room. Now the cell phone is my world. It is better looking in the cell phone than meeting somebody. I want to get out from this situation, but I don't know what I can do.
Volunteer?
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 Volunteer?